Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to walk you through the expert level Fix It Up rubric and with a sequencing story using transition words. The transition words we're using for this writing are first, next, then, and last. So I'm going to get started and I'm going to look at the first picture. I see a little girl getting some dog food. So I'm going to start my sentence. It says first. I'm going to go the girl. So girl, I hear the G sound at the beginning. I hear the that's one of those R controlled vowels. So it would be a vowel and an R. So I believe it's an IR. And at the end, I hear the L. First, the girl gets, so I'm going to sound it out again. G, et, s. Adding that ending sound, that suffix. First, the girl gets the dog food. Og, I hear a word family there, the og family. And food, I hear the F. And then I hear that a very special, that OO sound, ooh, food. And at the end, I hear the D. So I have my sentence. First, the girl gets the dog food. Since I've completed one sentence, I want to look at my Fix It Up rubric and I want to check to make sure I have everything I need in this first sentence before I go on to my next. So this first box says I have a title for my writing. Ooh, I forgot to do a title. So I'm going to make my title and I'm going to put it right up here on this line where the date is. And my title is going to be Feeding the Dog. So I have a title now. Okay, now I can begin my sentence with an uppercase letter. Okay, well the first word was already here. So I have a capital here. Oh no. I added a capital here, so I need to take that off and make it lowercase. And I may need to make this T a lowercase. So I'm going to go ahead and fix those. And then I can check off that I only had a capital for my first letter of my sentence. I can put finger spaces between my words. I want to double check that I did that. Yes, 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 yes. Ooh, I made a compound word that's not a compound word. Dog and food, there needs to be a space there. So I'm going to add a space there. I'm going to erase and fix that. And go down here. I can punctuate each sentence. So I'm going to look at the end. Oh my goodness, I must have been going really fast and forgot to put that period there. Let me add that period. My sentence makes sense. In order for me to know if my sentence makes sense, I need to reread the sentence. So it says, first the girl gets the dog food. It matches the picture and it's a good solid sentence. So yes, it makes sense. I can spell my words correctly and use inventive spelling as needed. Well, I really worked on sounding my words out and I found those special vowel sounds that I've been working on in my groups. So I did that. Let's see down here. It says, my handwriting is neat. Yes, I stayed in the lines and I wrote very neatly. I can use descriptive words in my writing. Well, let me see. I said what kind of food it was. So that was descriptive, but I might want to add some more descriptive words in my next sentence just to make sure I'm doing descriptive words. I can add picture details. Well, the picture was already there and I didn't color it yet, so I'll have to go back and add those details, so I can't check that off. So let's see. Now it's time for you to select a paper and write your story. Let's go back and look at what I did. I made sure that I wrote my first sentence and I checked everything, and now I'm going to erase all my check marks and start writing the next sentence. You'll need to get some materials to do that. You'll need your writing template paper, your expert checklist, fix it up checklist, a pencil, a dry erase marker, and some crayons. Have fun as you practice writing, putting a story in sequential order using transition words first, next, then, and last.